Today I'm making Texas Roadhouse style green beans with bacon. It starts with broth. You're going to add a little sweetener and some black pepper to this and just give this a stir. You could also use water. I've used turkey broth here, chicken broth, whatever works. Then start chopping your ingredients. I'm using thick cut bacon here, and it works a little better to cut it lengthwise first, then cut crosswise to make a nice dice, and just continue till you have a real nice pile of diced up bacon just ready to cook in your pan. Next, the green beans. Fresh green beans need to be snipped off the ends, and then I like to cut them to approximate equal lengths until you have those all set to go. Then, in a nice hot pan, add your bacon and start cooking that. I forgot to mention I also chopped up an onion, and that now gets added. So first the bacon, 4 to 5 minutes, just the bacon, add the onion, another 4 to 5 minutes of cooking those together. Then add the green beans and the broth. Pour that in and heat that until the broth comes to a boil. If your broth is cold, this might take a minute, but once it's boiling, you want to reduce the heat and continue simmering. Simmer the beans in the broth for 15 to 20 minutes. The beans will cook to tenderness and the broth will reduce. Once the beans are tender, you turn off the heat and these are ready to serve. Just transfer them to a serving dish and be sure to include the liquid because there's a ton of flavor there. Just pour that over the top to make sure you have that wonderful bacon flavor in every bite. I hope you try this because if you do, I know you'll love it.